While many consumers are just starting to enjoy the beauty of the brand new DJI Osmo Action 6, a camera that seems to revolutionize everything in the action cam world. On the other side of the story, we have the same Punisher of Huawei striking again. And it seems like the principle is pretty simple. If we can beat them, ban them. Hey everyone, this is Cabs from DJI Corrector. I appreciate you clicking on this video. Correct me if I'm wrong, GoPro's products have been on the market for over 2 decades now. And just like FIFA, almost every single year we basically get the same product, just with a different number on the box. Which honestly shouldn't surprise anyone whose brain hasn't been fully washed by the Western idea of innovation. And what is about to happen to DJI right now is exactly why I believe we, the consumers, should start questioning the integrity of tech makers in the West. So what's really going on? On December 23, 2025, a new ban targeting DJI is expected to take effect. And once again, the same narrative is being pushed: national security concerns, data risk, and surveillance fears. But here's where things get interesting. These accusations haven't been backed by any solid public evidence, not one. Instead, what has been clear is that DJI dominates the global drone market. They are miles ahead in stabilization, optics, battery life, and overall value. And when one company is too good, well, you already know how the story goes. Well, if this ban becomes official, it could affect, number one, the new DJI products being sold in the US. Number two, we got enterprise and governmental issue. Number three, we got retail availability. And number four, software and updates, depending on the enforcement. But don't panic yet. Existing owners won't suddenly lose their drones. Nobody's going to break your door and take your Mini 4 Pro. However, the impact will be felt. Prices could go up, stock could disappear, repairs might become more complicated, and most importantly, creators may lose access to the best tools in the industry, not because they failed, but because they are banned. Well, this isn't just about one company. It's about competition, about innovation, and about the direction the tech world is heading. Because if powerful companies in the West can't compete with groundbreaking tech and improvement from the East, instead of catching up, they just shut the door. And who pays the price? Us, the consumers, the creators, the people who actually use the tech. DJI is not going anywhere. They will survive. They will innovate. They will prove that the real secret is simple: never take consumers for granted. And honestly, I hope one day that companies will stop treating competition like a threat and start seeing it for what it really is: a push to work harder, to offer better service, and to actually make consumers happy. But this ban, if it becomes official, will create shockwaves, and it could set a dangerous precedent for the entire tech world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.